Hi everyone, it's James. You're looking at my 2021 Honda PCX125. It's time to check the tire pressure, the front and back. If you check under the seat, it'll tell you how much air pressure you need for the front and for the back. So let me just open that. I've already put my bag under the seat. So you switch it to seat, and then you press this button, and that opens the seat. And there's my bag. Okay, and there's information over here. Okay, it's rather small. The front tire needs 200 kilopascals, and the back tire needs 225 kilopascals. So I'm going to a Japanese gas station. Where's the air pump? I'll go to there. Cookie. Cookie. Ah, so arigato. There's the air pump. I don't like my bike on the slope. Okay. This is kilopascals. I need 225. So I do this. 225. This is 250. About here. And loosen the screw. Don't lose it. So I just needed a little bit of air. Make sure you put on the cap properly. Nice and tight. Okay, this is 225. Now for the front. Set it to 200. Yay. I can't see the reading. But I'm going to put 200. Okay, that's 200. You guys get the idea. Don't lose your cap. Put the cap on properly. Okay, that's how to do it. Thanks for watching, guys. Like and subscribe to my channel. I'm gonna reset it to 0.